Hello class 6 students, I am your maths teacher Nitin. In today's class, we will learn about quadrilaterals. We are in lecture 4, chapter 10, basic geometry. We will learn about different type of quadrilaterals. Okay? Now what is quadrilateral? Quadrilateral means any four-sided closed figure. Okay? What is quadrilateral? Quadrilateral is a polygon of four-sided. That means it is a closed figure. Four-sided closed figure. Four-sided closed figure. Okay? Is known as quadrilateral. For example, A, B, C and D closed figure है, so this is a quadrilateral. Four-sided closed figure is known as quadrilateral, right? Now we will name it A, B, C, D. The first term you will get across is adjacent sides. What are adjacent sides? Now adjacent side means any two side which have a common vertex. ये मेरा common vertex A है, जो इस common vertex पे line segments meet करते हैं, those two line segments are known as adjacent sides. Suppose अगर हम A vertex लेते हैं तो मेरी line segments कौन सी हो जाएंगी? AD and AB. These are adjacent sides at vertex A. Okay? अगर हम B वर्टेक्स लेते हैं एट बी तो हमारे ए बी एंड बी सी आर एडजेसेंट लाइन्स, राइट. अगर हम C वर्टेक्स लेते हैं एट C वी हैव बी सी एंड सी डी. दीज आर एडजेसेंट लाइन. एंड सिमिलरली स्टूडेंट एट पॉइंट D, इसका आंसर आप लोग देंगे. Yes, very good. AD and CD are the line segments adjacent sides meeting at the vertex D. Clear, students? Good. Now, the second term means opposite sides. Now we will discuss opposite sides. Now, opposite side means AD के अपोजिट कौन सा साइड है? BC, बिल्कुल अपोजिट. एंड BC के अपोजिट कौन सा लाइन सेगमेंट है? AD. सो दीज आर अपोजिट साइड्स ऑफ अ गिवन क्वाड्रिलेटरल. ओके, तो अपोजिट साइड्स कौन सा है स्टूडेंट्स? AD एंड BC. सिमिलरली स्टूडेंट्स AB इज ऑपोजिट टू CD. देखो अपोजिट है ना, एक इस तरफ है एक इस तरफ है, तो सेकेंड पेयर ऑफ लाइन जो अपोजिट है दैट इज AB and CD. Okay students, clear? Good. Now student, you will come across a term adjacent angle. Adjacent angles कौन से होते हैं students? So two angles are said to be adjacent if they share a common line. Let's see here, angle A and angle B. They have a common line segment AB. Common line उनका क्या है बच्चों? AB. So we can say that angle A and angle B are adjacent angle. Why adjacent angle? Because they share same line. Second, angle B and angle C, again they are on the same line BC. So we can say that angle B and angle C are adjacent angle. Clear है? Now again line segment CD, angle C and angle D. Angle C and angle D are adjacent angle. Okay, so again AD, angle A and angle D are also angle A and angle D are adjacent angle. Clear students? So that's how you can recognize, you can find out adjacent angles. Now student, what are opposite angles? Opposite angles. opposite means angle A and angle C, these are opposite angles, है ना. diagonally आप चेक करेंगे angle A and angle C, these are opposite angles. Second students, very good. Angle B and angle D, again these are opposite angles, angle B and angle D, right? So students, angle B and angle D, these are opposites in opposite direction, so these are known as opposite angle, angle B and. Clear students? Good. Now students, what is interior and exterior of a quadrilateral? जैसे मैं ट्रायंगल में किया था, same it is here. Interior means inside. Interior points means inside the boundary of quadrilateral. Right? Suppose I have a point P and point Q. So what we will say कि point P and point Q are interior to the quadrilateral A, B, C, D. Right? So point P and Q, these are interior of a quadrilateral A, B, C, D. Now what is exterior? Exterior means, very good, outside. Let point Q, let point R, and let point, let's say, S. The point S and R lie outside the quadrilateral, so these points will be exterior to the quadrilateral ABCD. Okay, S and R are exterior to ABCD, right students? So these are the only points which we should be aware of the quadrilaterals. Okay, for the given exercise. Now we will start our exercise 10.5, right? Exercise 10.5 students. Okay, come to page number 130, exercise 10.5. Now the question one is, in the given figure ABCD, so we will draw the figure first. Be careful while writing the name. जैसे बुक में नेम्स दिए हैं वैसे ही आपको राइट करने हैं. A, B, C, D is a quadrilateral, right? Now the first part of the question number 1 is pair of the adjacent sides. आपको adjacent sides बतानी है. Okay, as I told you, common vertex जिनका होता है, those sides are known as, those line segments are adjacent sides, right? So the first one is, अगर हम D vertex लेते हैं तो हमारा DC and DC line segment and AD, these are adjacent sides. Now come to B, तो हमारा CD and BC. Then come to point A, AD and AB. And now come to the point AD and AB. AD and DC 1, 2, A. Now take B as common, the AB and BC. Okay, so these are the adjacent sides, 1, 2, again 1, 2, 1, 2 and 1, 2. Okay, first part is done. Pair of opposite angles, students. This was the first part. Now come to the second part, pair of opposite angle. Pair of opposite angle, students, angle D is opposite to angle B and angle A is opposite to angle C. So angle D and angle B are opposite, and the second one is angle A and angle C. These are opposite angles, right? Good. Now pair of adjacent angles, C part, pair of adjacent angles. Pair of adjacent angles. Adjacent angle means which have same line segment. So angle D and angle A, they are on the same line segment. So these are adjacent angle. Again A and B, and B and C, and finally angle C and angle D. Okay, so these are opposite angles. Sorry, these are adjacent angles. Now diagonals, come to the E part, diagonals. So diagonal means if you join opposite vertex, अगर आप opposite vertex join कर देते हैं students, so these line segments are known as diagonals. Line joining the opposite vertex are known as diagonals. तो यहाँ पे हमारे diagonal क्या होंगे? AC and BD. These are the diagonals of a given figure, right? So question number 1 is done for you. Question number 2 you do yourself, students. Okay, good. Now students, we will learn different types of quadrilateral. Okay, different types of quadrilateral. Now the first one we will discuss is trapezium. Now it is a special quadrilateral in which A, B, C, D, in which one pair of side is parallel. Okay, what is trapezium, students? A trapezium is a quadrilateral in which one side is parallel. One side, one pair of side. One pair of side is parallel. Okay, so in this case AB is parallel to CD. अगर one pair of side is parallel है तो we says that a given quadrilateral is a trapezium. Okay students, अब आप check कर सकते हैं easily. Now come to the second figure. Second is a parallelogram. Now what is parallelogram, students? Any four-sided figure, that means any quadrilateral in which both opposite sides are parallel and equal is known as a parallelogram. हम इसका नाम देंगे A, B, C, D. Okay, opposite sides are parallel and equal. Okay, so in this case AB is parallel to CD and AD is parallel to BC. क्लियर स्टूडेंट्स? ऐसा कोई भी फिगर जिसमें अपोजिट साइड्स पैरेलल होते हैं, AB इज पैरेलल टू CD और सेकंड अपोजिट साइड है AD पैरेलल टू BC. अगर ये इसके पैरेलल है और ये इसके भी पैरेलल है, then you can say that a given figure, a given quadrilateral is a parallelogram. Clear है students? Good. Now come to rhombus. Okay, now the third figure we are discussing here is rhombus. नाउ व्हाट इज अ रोम्बस? हमने इसका नेम दिया ए बी सी डी, अ रोम्बस इन विच ऑल फोर साइड्स आर इक्वल. ओके, all four sides are equal. Okay, all four sides are equal to each other. Such a quadrilateral is known as a rhombus. Okay, students? Good. Now student, fourth figure is rectangle. So any quadrilateral all opposite sides are equal, okay, and parallel. Opposite sides are parallel to each other. That is, AB is parallel to, this is the sign of parallel, okay. AB is parallel to DC or CD, and AD is parallel to BC. One thing. Second, corner angles are 90 degree each. Angle A is equal to angle B is equal to angle C is equal to angle D is equal to 90 degree each. Okay. So corner angles are 90 degree, right students, and opposite sides are parallel. Such figure is known as a rectangle. Good students. Now we will discuss a square. What is a square? I will draw a figure. A, B, C and D. So student, a square is a figure in which all four sides are equal. AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to AD. All four sides are equal, students. Okay. Second, angle A is equal to angle B is equal to angle C is equal to angle D 90 degree each. All four angles are 90 degree each. Okay, all four sides are equal. All four angles are also equal. They are all 90 degree each. Okay, so this is a square. Now last figure is kite. आपने kite fly की है ना? What is kite? A, B, C and D. Now in kite, adjacent sides are equal. Adjacent sides are equal. Okay. AB is equal to AD. One thing. Second, CD is equal to BC. So adjacent sides are equal, students. Okay. Clear है? Any figure in which adjacent sides are equal is known as a kite. Good. Now student, we will learn about circle. Okay, what is a circle? I am drawing with free hand, students. आप with the help of compass आप draw कीजिएगा. Now what is a circle? A circle, अगर आप center point से, this is the center point of this circle, center point से जो points हमारे equal distance पे होते हैं, and we join those points which are equidistant from the center, तो हमको एक फिगर मिलेगी. That figure is known as a circle, right? So what is a circle? A circle is a figure obtained by joining the points which are at equal distance from the center. Clear students? So this is a circle. Now let O be the center of the circle. This is the center of the circle, center point hai. Now if I draw a line passing through the center A, O and B. Now students, this O and B, OB is equal to radius of a circle. Center से जो पूरा point पे जाके जो line मिलती है, that line is known as radius. Okay, similarly AO is also a radius. AO is also a radius of a given circle. Now the line passing through the center and joining the 2 points on the line. Always remember, a line should pass through the center. जैसे कि ये line center से pass होकर जा रही है, and it is joining the 2 points A and B on the line of the circle. So AOB is known as diameter. What is diameter? So diameter is a line that passes through the center, joining the 2 points on the line. So AOB is the diameter of a circle, and it is the longest line which can be drawn through the center. अब आप बोलेंगे क्या सर AOB यही है? No, any line that passes through the center is the diameter of a circle. So you can have n number of diameters. Okay, आप ऐसे ड्रॉ कर सकते हैं, ऐसे भी ड्रॉ कर सकते हैं, any. But condition क्या है कि it should pass through the center. So AOB is a diameter. Now what is the relation between the diameter and the radius? So diameter is equal to 2 multiplied by radius. Okay, diameter is equal to twice of radius. So clear students, diameter is equal to twice of the radius. So in this case OB as well as OA are the radius and AOB is the diameter. Right students? Now what is the chord of a circle? Chord of a circle. What is chord? Any line, let it be P and Q. This is the chord. Any other line passing through the circle and joining the 2 points on the circumference. ये जो हमारी boundary है, this is circumference. So P and Q, any line that joins the 2 point on the circumference is a chord. अब आप बोलेंगे सर diameter is again joining the 2 points. So yes, diameter is also a chord, but it is the longest chord, right? क्या speciality है? What is the different about diameter? Diameter is the longest chord. So any line joining the 2 points of a circle is known as chord. Okay? So write a point. A diameter is the longest chord of a circle. Clear students? Now what is the secant of a circle? Secant. Chord को हम यहाँ पे लिखते हैं आंसर. PQ is a chord and AB is a chord, right? Now what is secant? Now student, what is secant? Any line passing through the circle is known as secant. हमने कोई भी line draw किया and it is passing through the circle. Okay? Now student, this line segment RS is passing through the circle. Okay, and cutting the circle at 2 points. So such a line segment is known as a secant, right? So RS is a secant to a circle. Clear students? Any line cutting the circle, going through the circle is known as secant. Now what is a semicircle? Semicircle. Now A, see students, see here, A, let point it be T, A, T, B, it is a semicircle. आधा part diameter से ऊपर का is semicircle. Okay, ये जो AOB diameter होता है, it cuts the center it cuts the circle in two equal halves. So one part of this circle is known as semicircle. So ATB, right? I will make a new circle here. Suppose this is a circle and this is the line segment. This is diameter A, O and B. So the diameter cuts the circle into two equal halves. Upper part as well as the lower part, they are equal. So these two parts of a circle are known as semicircle. A, C. This is the semicircle. Clear, students? Now the arc of a circle. Now students, see, we have a chord PQ, right? So P, B and Q, this is the arc. ये जो ऊपर वाला curved line है, this is known as arc. So what is arc, student? It is the curved line over the chord. किसी भी chord के ऊपर की जो curved line होती है, that is known as arc, and it is represented by, for example, हमने arc लिया PBQ, PBQ. So it is represented by this curved line. Okay, so PBQ means it is an arc. ये जो ऐसा symbol हम बनाते हैं, this symbol means we are talking about arc, right? So in this case, a chord PQ and the curved line over the chord, that is PBQ, is the arc of a circle. Okay, अगर आप इसके रिवर्स देखें, इस chord के ऊपर की तरफ P, A and Q, again it is a P, A, Q, again it is a arc of a circle. ये बड़ा arc है, bigger arc, and this is the smaller arc. Okay, clear, students? Good. Now students, we will discuss what is sector of a circle. Right? What is sector? We will draw a circle, students. Now this is the center point. Okay, this is the radius, let it be O, A. Again this is the radius, let it be O, A and OB are the radius of the given circle. Now I will draw the chord. AB is the chord. Now the area inside these two radius and the chord is known as sector. Okay, this is sector of a circle. Clear, students? Now come to the interior and the exterior of a circle. Any point lying inside the circle is known as interior. Suppose this is the point Q. So this point Q is interior to the circle, and any point outside the circle is known as exterior to the circle. Okay, again, as we discussed in triangle as well as in quadrilateral, इंटीरियर एंड एक्सटीरियर मीन्स द सेम थिंग. अगर हमारा बाउंड्री के अंदर है दैट इज इंटीरियर, अगर बाहर है तो इट इज एक्सटीरियर. ओके, नाउ व्हाट इज सर्कुलर रीजन? सर्कुलर रीजन, अगेन स्टूडेंट, सर्कुलर रीजन मीन्स एरिया इनसाइड द सर्कमफ्रेंस. ये जो पूरा एरिया इनसाइड द बाउंड्री है that is known as circular region, right? मैं यहाँ फिगर ड्रॉ करता हूँ. So this complete area is known as circular region. Clear, student? Now the important topic, important term is concentric circle. Concentric circle. So any two circles which have the same center are known as concentric circle, right? So I will draw one here for you. Suppose this is a circle and second circle is inside the circle, and these two have the same center O. Circle A and this is circle B, both these circles have same center O, so these two circles are known as concentric circles. Clear, students? Good. Now students, we will start our exercise 10.5. It is misprinted. 10.5 दो exercise given है, that's why I have written the page number 133, exercise 10.5. Actually it should be 10.6, but it is printing mistake, so I have written the page number. Okay, so page number 133, question number 1 you can do on your own. Draw a circle of radius 3.5. You can do it on your own. Come to question number 2. In the given figure identify the following. आपको एक फिगर दिया हुआ है स्टूडेंट्स, you have to identify. This is center O, AOB. Now question number 2, exercise 10.5, page number 133 student. The question is, in the given circle identify the following. The center of the circle, first part, center of the circle, that is O. Okay, center of the circle is represented by O. Second part, 3 radii है, 3 radii है, तो OC, OA and OB, OC, OA and OB are the 3 radii of the given circle. Now a diameter. What is the diameter? Passing a line passing through the center. So AOC is diameter. Fourth, D point, chord. ED is the chord here, ED. Okay. Now 2 points in the interior. Interior के अंदर 2 point बताने हैं स्टूडेंट. So point O and P, interior in the circle. A point in the exterior. Exterior point क्या है स्टूडेंट्स? Q. Q is outside the circle, so it is exterior to the circle. A sector. What is a sector? AOB is a sector. AOB is a sector student. This is a sector. पिज्जा की फॉर्म में बना हुआ है ना, दिस इज अ सेक्टर. नाउ अ सेगमेंट. Now segment students, this diameter divides the triangle into equal parts. So upper segment, this is the upper segment AC, and lower segment ABC. Okay, good. So your exercise is over, as well as your chapter is over students. Do each and every questions of the exercise neatly in your copies. Your copies will be checked by the teachers. Okay, bye bye, take care.